stars who we see on the screen, but also the spectators who have come out to watch their stars in action. Yes, Telugu Warriors are not here, but there you see the brand ambassador Chamri. They're enjoying this final game. Loud appeal, yes, and it's been given. So it is Bhaskar who goes for a DRS. The only way he can survive is if there is an inside edge.
He's pretty certain about it. He's really certain about it. The body language says that it has hit his bat. We'll have to wait and watch. Bat has hit the pad as well.
It's hitting in line, hitting the stumps. I don't see any deviation of the bat, any edge of the bat. It is a legal delivery bowled by Shiva. He did come forward, but not so much. I don't think after pitching the ball would have deviated so much so as to miss the stumps. The original decision is out, and I think it will stay out. Yes. So Shiva struck double blow for his side. First Rajiv, and after that it is Bhaskar now. He goes back. The two big men back in the pavilion. Out for 17, 32 for 2.
.32 for 2. Run rate is not a problem, but they've lost 2 important wickets. Who could have mattered the most. Rajiv, and now it was Bhaskar's turn to return to the pavilion. Pradeep has come out in the middle. 7 matches for him, 87 runs, 150. Last wicket was a crucial one. Bhaskar, who's adjudged leg before by the umpire. Both the wickets have fallen to this man. He's just into his second over. Have a look at that figure. 1.1, no maiden, 5 runs and 2 wickets. He almost had the third one. Almost. How did that miss?
It is really working here. He's not giving any pace on his deliveries at all, Shiva. And he's getting the ball to swing. Now this is how he got the wicket off for Bhaskar. It came in very late. He played the wrong line, Bhaskar. Put the pads first in front of the ball, and then he showed his bat. The umpire wasn't convinced. They went for a review, and it was quite clear that the ball hit the pad first, and the decision stayed. Down the leg side, that's not a good delivery from Shiva.
This is what happens when there is a left-hand, right-hand combination out there. You have to make adjustment and make it really quickly.
That is Anuj, part of the CCL team. He celebrates his birthday along with Mr. Vishwanath. So best wishes to Anuj. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. God bless and have a great year. What a way to celebrate his birthday. He's on the ground to watch the finals of CCL Season 2.
And what a day. It's the finals. It's just gone on, and everyone knows about his birthday now. Well, luckily for him, he shares his birthday with a great man, Gundappa Vishwanath.
So Rhinos have struck back so quickly. They scored 161. Bulldogs are chasing that target, and they have picked up two most important wickets of Rajiv and Bhaskar. So another good over comes to an end. It's 34 for 2 after 5.